Here we're going to be looking at this new add event button that's coming with our latest update. Right now I am in MikeTester's client file in our demo site, and if you're familiar with the old way of adding new events or moving client throughout your workflow, you're going to be familiar with this status dropdown if you're using this more for tax prep, or there used to be a little drop down right here where you could select a new event status to add. So with the addition of this add event button, we've gotten rid of that little drop down that's right here, and it also has some of the functionality of this status drop down. So when I click on this, see that we have a drop down to add our new status. Also, we'll do the in review. You see what's new is that we have this close last open event. So this will function similar to our status drop down, meaning that it'll add our new event and close out the old one, which is definitely something we want for something like tax preparation. But if we didn't want to have that, say if we're in a different business type, maybe payroll or bookkeeping, we could just have that be unchecked and we could add just another event status in here. Now the setup of this close last event status, you can actually set it up per event, and you can go to admin, event status, we filter to tax preparation. You'll see that over on the right, you're gonna have to scroll a little bit, we have this new column called close last event. And for something like tax preparation, we're going to want to have these checked for pretty much all of our event statuses, because again, with tax prep we only want them in one event status at a time. So this is where in the setup of your workflow for your business types you can dictate which ones have that turned on and which ones do not. So let me get back into MikeTester's file, and we'll go over the other things in this box. So again, we have our status and our close last open event. If I do in review, again, has that checked. From right here, we can add in our notes. We can assign this event status to someone. We could give it an assigned date, a due date, and also a priority. We could look at our start date and even push in an end date, which would close out this event as soon as we would make it. We could adjust the event user in here and also disable any notifications that were part of this event status right there. So there's a lot of this functionality, and if I just hit save, we'll see that it closed out our existing status and opened up in review. But you see that in that box, in this box here, a lot of these fields of information are just pulled from right here, so you can edit these fields for this event at the same time as adding the event. So it's kind of like an all-in-one little feature right here. So that is it for the new add event button right here, and I thank you for watching.